as you can see, I'm back with another braided unit from Olonagirl, and let me tell y'all, first of all, I was not expecting this wig to be so nice, and let me tell you why. I saw it on Instagram and I was like, that's a lot of hair. That's a lot of hair, and can I deal with all of that hair? Like, if I got my own hair braided, I probably wouldn't do so many braids, but well, I would have first thought, you know what, I'm not gonna do all of those braids. Can you just make them a little bigger? Let me tell you something, this is perfect. I love this unit. You can do so many things with this unit. First of all, let me tell you about it. The name of the unit is called Isha or Isha, and mine is in the color number 2, and it's 22 inches long, and the type is box braids. So you have your box braids on a full lace unit, meaning you can part this wig anywhere. It's not gonna look all crazy. There are no strings that you gotta cut, and then when you cut them, all you see is tracks. There are no tracks in this unit. Again, this is a full lace braided unit. The styles that you can do with this wig are endless, and as you guys saw in the video, or I'm showing you now, you can customize your baby hairs. As you can see, it comes with really long baby hairs and they're kind of thick, so it's up to you. You can customize it whatever way you want. If you want them thick, you can leave them thick, or you could just thin them out like I did with my little eyebrow razor, and it works out perfectly. Now honestly, I want to go in on the baby hairs again probably later on and just, you know, trim them down some more and make them a little more sparse or sparse, whatever word that is. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I love the unit. Now first, when I first took it out, I was like, this is a lot of hair. I'm not gonna lie, I was like, this is a lot of hair, and it does have some weight to it. Now it's not too heavy to where you're going to be worrying about your neck hurting or some type of headache. No, it's not like that, but it's heavy enough to where you do have to, in my opinion, adhere it to your head, which is exactly what I did, because when I first tried it on, I was like, I'm not adhering this to my head. I don't feel like wearing box braids for the week. And no, as I was, you know, playing around with it, I said, you know what, let me go ahead and adhere this to my head, because if you want to style it the way I've been playing with it, you're gonna need it adhered to your head, because the weight of the unit will slide back if you're not using the combs, which I'm not using. All I did was adjust the straps, and then I went in, as you guys saw, with my Got to Be Glue free spray on the wig, on my head, and just did that, and I'm pretty much good for, I guess, the next day or two. I don't know, it depends on how I'm sleeping, but you guys, like, this is so pretty. Oh my god, like, look at that. Like, the ends are so curly, and I wish that my camera was picking up, you know, the unit the way I see it in real life. Like, it's crazy how pretty this wig is, and oh my god, like I said, the possibilities of styling are endless. You can do whatever you want to this unit. You could put it all up, because it is also on a 360 cap, so you can put it all up if you want to. I know you girls, you know, like to do that, or you keep asking me, you know, certain units, can you pull it all up in a bun or a ponytail? Yes, you can. I'm not gonna sit here and style this wig 1,000 different ways, but you guys trust me when I tell you, if you were to get this unit, you can style it whatever way you want. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see what I'm talking about in the back. Like, that's one of the main things about these units that, you know, some companies are making. It's just, it looks crazy. Like, you can see tracks. Like, the front will be dope, it'll be like a frontal, but this is a full lace, so you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about no tracks in the back. There are no tracks, and I said that already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back of it, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. I'm praying that my camera picks that up. And yeah, so let me spin around real quick. Oh, and it's like parted all the way through. So it's just box braids all around the wig. It's crazy. So yeah, you guys, you see what I mean? Like, you can just part this wig anywhere, and I absolutely love it. You guys, I need you to go down below in the description box and check out Olonagirl. She is coming from Nigeria. The shipping was super quick. I believe I got this wig in about 2 days via DHL, and I am so impressed. If you guys are not familiar with my channel, check out the first review that I did on Fulani braids that I received from her, a corn braided unit, which is equally as beautiful. But this one, girl, is my favorite right about now. I know you watching this video, but this one is my favorite simply because I can do so much with this wig. And also, she did go ahead and send a little solution to where if I want to, well, you guys saw in the video, the hair on the bottom, like I said, is curly. So she sent over some conditioner spray so I can just keep up with the hair and keep it shiny and keep it curly, just to re-wet it instead of using water. She did go ahead. I guess it's still recording, I don't know, but as I was saying, I'm so pissed off with my camera right now. It's not even funny. She did go ahead and send the solution so I can keep the hair moisturized and looking good and nice and shiny, and I love it. It's like a conditioner and it smells really good, you guys. So again, if you want to check out Olonagirl, please do. Tell her I sent you. You guys know how I feel about my first unit, but this one is a banger as well, but it's my favorite. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on your post notifications so you guys will not miss anything. And also, if you want to see more styles, make sure you guys are following me on Snapchat. I never really talk about that, but it's down below in the description box. And make sure you follow Olonagirl and just keep up. Like, she has so many different wigs, so many different styles, and they are quick. Those girls work fast and efficient. Like, do you see this? Girl, get on it. Anyway, you guys, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.